question is, does the SKRR need an exhaust? Brett and I think so. Oh yeah, guess who's going to get himself a brand new Akrapovic Exhaust that just got installed? My man, Meat. Got some cash right there, because he's paying for it, not me. That's my boy. You have no idea until you get on this thing. Is your bike on? Mans wants the exhaust so bad, I don't blame him. But we're almost there. Let's go. There's a smile. Now get your cash, because that's about to disappear real soon. Wait till we post the real numbers that you did 2 months ago on the Ducati. Top speed. Way past that 200-mile-an-hour club, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Question is, can the BMW do it with the tune and the full Acra? But when you turn it and you fire this thing up for the first time, it's freaking awesome, dude. Yeah. I mean, it's completely.
Oh, I'm excited.
Oh, we can talk about it all day long, but when you fire it up, it's like.
I'm like 5 minutes out.
I remember my first exhaust. My first exhaust I put on, I think the old Ninja, one of my old Ninjas.
Yeah.
You pumped?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Ready for the fire up? Oh, it sounds smooth. Sounds smooth. I like it. Drive up there. Just drive past it. Oh, that sounds better. That sounds much better. Question is, should we get in the shorty can? But I know this is trackable. Oh, there it is. Oh, oh that sounds. or down? Let's hear it. What I'm talking about. Got the new Acra on there. Ready to roll, baby. Think first impressions of his first exhaust. Yeah, sounds good, huh? The sleeper too, because we kept the old pipe.
Yeah. No, I like it. It doesn't sound as raspy as the little short cans, but it still sounds good.
Yeah, what's cool is it looks stock. You know, I mean, it's a stock exhaust, and we won't say what. It's still stock. That's what we'll say. Now we're gonna have to run the boat. We're gonna have to run both of them. There goes all that weight. God. Anyway, hey, hit that subscribe button if you guys like the content. We're enjoying this. This has been a blast. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, do those YouTube things, because that helps us out a lot. And it helps you guys, because you can watch us. Oh, Chili, I'm out of here. We'll see you next time.